People often ask how Yarbo lawnmower maintains 6 acres per week. It's not about mowing 6 acres in a single direction once, it's about continuous maintenance. It operates autonomously, mowing, recharging, and resuming automatically. Each run covers about 0.25 acres, and it completes around 7 runs per day. So that's about 1.7 acres of mowing capacity per day. But that doesn't mean 1.7 acres of new lawn every day. It's part of a weekly maintenance cycle. Imagine the lawn divided into area A, B, and C. The system moves through all zones on a weekly schedule, keeping everything in rotation. To keep the grass healthy, you don't want to cut too much at once. Lighter and more frequent trimming is better for growth and lawn health. So each area naturally ends up being maintained about twice per week during active growth seasons. That's how about 6 acres are consistently maintained each week. Under ideal conditions, this represents the maximum maintenance capacity, and actual performance may vary based on grass type, terrain, and seasonal growth. In practice, large lawns are kept consistently maintained week after week. It never really finishes, it just keeps running in the background. Yarbo, the modular yard robot for every season.